The next topic is the problems which are faced in India in the human development formation. The first factor is the rising population. You see, even when the population is growing and we have good economic growth, we can still sustain. But when the economic growth is also not very fast and the population is rising at a rapid speed, we cannot have the growth in the human capital formation. Because more the number of people, it's going to reduce per head availability of the facilities which are available. So, the population which is rising at a rapid speed in India is a great hindrance, is a great barrier in the formation of human capital. The next is the brain drain. In India, there is no deficiency of intelligent people. We have good doctors, engineers, efficient people, but they all migrate to other countries. That is, the best of the drain gets drained to European countries. During the time of Britishers, it used to be, they say that there was drain of wealth. But now, after independence, there has been brain drain. Because the educated, that is the intelligent people of India love to go and settle abroad for various reasons. Thus, the brain drain is again a big hindrance in the human capital formation in India. The next is insufficient job training. As I told you in the beginning, that even if you have high degrees, you need to keep yourself updating as to what is happening around you. But in India, this on-job training is not very efficient, especially in the primary sectors. In agriculture and such sectors, we do not have anything of this kind called as in-job training. And in other sectors also, it is not properly organized. It is very poor. Next is the low academic standards. In India, we've been laying great stress on higher education. We've been opening universities, we've been having good doctors, engineers and such universities. But what we are producing is half-baked graduates, postgraduates, engineers, doctors. That is, in the growth that we are seeing in education, because we want to educate more number of people to higher studies, we are somewhere lacking in the academic standards. We do not have that strong foundation of the people who are required in the growth of human capital formation. Every country for that matter has some or the other problem in the formation of human capital, and likewise in India, there are 4 factors which are a great hindrance to the human capital formation, and those are rising population, brain drain, insufficient job training and low academic standards.